We have 6 bags of the broccoli flores. If you are one of our channel members at 99 cents a month or higher, 99 cents a month is the minimum one, you will have our full meal plan at the end of this video. And then it'll also be on the end of the Sam's Club video as well, so that way you kind of get an idea where some of those things are going to go. But if you want like the full meal plan, breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, recipes if needed, they will be in the members only post that will go live at the exact same time as this video. We've never seen these before. They're new to us. This is the cashew milk non-dairy ice cream. It is the chocolate brownie, so this is for my lactose-free one, and then Moose Tracks ice cream for those of us who are not. We also have 1 box of the Bistro mini quiches. We've tried these before. They're really good. You get the 3 cheese and onion, the spinach Florentine, and the Lorraine ones as well. All together there's 15, so it kind of doesn't divide evenly for 6 people, but it still makes a really good breakfast. And again, that'll be on the meal plan when we're going to do that. Casman vitamin D orange juice for those of us who do not chew our orange juice for breakfast, and high pulp for those of us who do. 2 gallons of 2% milk, and per suggestion by one of you viewers, we are going to try the Fairlife milk. And now Fairlife advertises that it is an ultra filtered milk, and during their ultra filtering process it is lactose free, but it's supposed to be ultra filtered milk, so it doesn't have any lactose. It does say 50% less sugar, 50% more protein. So we're going to try it. Aldi's carries it, so we will see. And if she likes this, Sam's Club, we found out today, has it's not lactose free. They have to add the lactase to kill the lactose in it. There's a difference between something not having lactose in it and adding lactase to kill the lactose that's in it. But Sam's Club sells Fairlife chocolate protein smoothies, or like protein shakes. Sorry, shakes would be more appropriate. Chocolate protein shakes, 12 of them for $15. So if we like this, we may end up trying those as well as like a breakfast thing for on the go days that we, kind of have a lot of. But yeah, so per suggestion by one of you guys, we're going to try this. It's $1 more than the stuff we normally get her, but anytime I can find something that's real milk, but she can not have to worry about the lactose in it, that's a definite plus for us. Also from Aldi, because it is that time of year, they had gardening items as well. So they had this drop over greenhouse that we are going to try with some seeds that Sarah picked up from the Tater Valley Nursery. The mini vlog from that is on Instagram, but they gave them some seeds this year. Instead of just sunflower seeds, they also gave them like marigolds and some vegetables to try that are easy for kids to start with. So we're going to try this, and we're going to have to get a bin that will fit in here that we can plant the plants in as well. But one of the problems that we have with our area is rabbits. So we're going to try this to see if maybe it'll keep the rabbits out. If not, then we'll try to do something different a little bit next year. But we want to try something, and this was $25, so we figured not a huge expense if it doesn't work, but also at $25 we're hoping it's durable enough that it actually will work.